Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at how to draw custom masks with the trace image feature. Let's just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover and we upload videos daily. So just keep our eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program, yeah. Now, yeah, just a reminder, this is a mini series on the trace image feature. There's a lot to cover, so we won't be covering all of that in this video. We'll just be doing the draw mask, but you can find previous tutorials if you look in the description at the bottom. Otherwise, once we're in our trace image feature, which can be found here by that little landscape icon, and then you have your input selected. Now if we go update preview, and we can see here on the mask, let me zoom in some more for you guys. So now you can see here on the mask that it is not capturing all of the little tree stems here. So let's say you want to capture all of it and not have these gaps, so when you finally cut your vinyl there's no gaps. Then what you can do here is you go to edit mode and we select the draw mask. Now here on the right the size will be set for the mask foreground and background. So let me just give you a quick rundown what they do. The mask foreground, that adds mask background removes mask. So let's go update here again. So now let's say we want to add a mask here. So let's set the scale to maybe around 2. Then you can also adjust the show source image, so you can see more of the what the mask is showing. But then in any case, so now let's just run it. So we've got a gap here, and the end is not done. So let's start here. We just click and drag the size set, and we're just kind of following this path more or less. And now if we click leave and we go apply update preview, now as you can see the mask is filled in there as well. So then let's say so yeah, that's basically then how you add it. So the size will adjust the size of the mask you add. But let's say we want to take this whole branch out, or this top area, because it's a bit messy. Then what you can do is we go to background from the edit mode. We select the background option and set the scale to about 4. Now what we'll do is, as you click here, you'll see we can erase that green. So let me zoom in for you guys while we do it. So now you can erase all of this green nicely, and then let's do the same on the other side. If you have to erase bigger areas, you can always just up your scale here, and then you do the same thing. Put a bit of a rounded edge. And now if we click update preview, you'll see the mask is updated. So now we'll no longer be cutting that area. So this is a great tool if you're tracing an image and it's a bit messy and there's gaps and things, or you want to remove parts of it. Then you can use the draw mask tool. Otherwise, if we just head to our website here, you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys can find this video and more videos like this. As you can see here, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we have a search option if you're looking for anything specific. And then also, if you don't find what you're looking for, just go here to request a training video and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching and cheers.